How to find group QR code on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group QR code on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click here in group profile, click on it and click in the top and scroll down until you find this one, invite, click on it. And here you will find QR code, just click on it, and as you see here all you need to do is just scan this code here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.